In this video, we will learn how to show percentage change in Excel. So the idea of this video is how to show the percentage growth or decline between two figures in one cell in Excel. In normal way, what we used to do is we follow these three steps to calculate the percentage change between two figures. Let us say that our figures are 120 and 100 that is described above. In our example, in this example we have sales of a company for 2 financial years and we want to calculate the percentage change between these two sales. So in normal way, first we used to calculate the difference between these two figures, that is the sale of the current year and the sale of previous year. The second thing is we determine the denominator value, that is the sales of previous year. Now the next step is to calculate the change, which is the change divided by the sales of previous year, that is 20%. But how we do these three steps in one cell is the basic idea of this video that we are going to understand in this example. So over here I am going to use the formula is equal to A divided by B minus 1. So this formula will give us the same figure that we have calculated in the below example. That is A, that is the sale of current year, B is the sale of previous year minus 1. So you can see that we get the same result of 20% over here. Now how this function works is that it, by subtracting 1 in divide of the sales, we basically made this minus 1 the sale of previous year. So after deducting the sale of current year, that is A minus B, that 1 is going to be, after taking the LCM of this formula, we get 20 on the above numerator and 100 in the denominator, and we got the same percentage as we got in the below example. So in order to calculate percentage change, instead of these three steps we can use this simple formula, that is A divided by B minus 1, to reflect the percentage change in Excel. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can get the working file of this video in the link given in the description of this video. Also, follow us on different social media to get recent updates and a lot of freebies for you. All the links are given in the description of the video for different social medias. Thank you.